Hey guys, Casey here, starting on my first trading YouTube channel. Just kind of wanted to go over how my setup looks, how I trade, what I'm looking for, why I'm starting this channel. The goal is to post a video every day, going over my trades. I was trying to post one today, but I recorded in the wrong format, so I was unable to post that. But I'll go over the trade I took a little bit, what I was looking at, entry, exit, and all that good stuff. So I'm starting this because a small account, and I just was getting a little frustrated with all the rules small accounts have to abide by, and then just trying to learn from the content out there, but all the content's from people with larger accounts, so it's getting a little frustrating. So let's just go over the setup real quick. I only have two indicators. As you can see, two indicators are Ichimoku Cloud, and then right here we have just v-wap. So I trade just a couple stocks, trade Tesla, Apple, Facebook, and then Netflix and Baba once in a while. But I mainly just trade Tesla, Apple, and Facebook. Then over here I have SPA and VIX, mainly as indicators, but I also will play VIX once in a while. So I was getting sick of having to deal with the pattern day trading account. If you have a margin account, you can only trade 3 times in 5 consecutive rolling days, and that's just not enough trades to learn the craft or to make any money really. So I had to come up with a different plan. So what I came up with was opening a cash account and then day trading options. So what that does is I can trade up to the amount I have in my account, and then with options it's T1, so your trade day and then it settles the next day. Or if you were to just do a normal trade plus 2 days, so it'd be the trade settling day and then the next day would be settled. So you could trade every other day or just trade half of your account, but since I'm trading with a smaller account, I would like to use all the funds that day. For what I look for with options, and then how I play them. The main thing I look for, the biggest move I look for is the break of the cloud. This big cloud in the middle. So if you see here earlier today in Tesla on the 1 minute chart, we have a break of a cloud, and then it's got this nice run here. And that's about all I look for really. It's got this nice run here. And then I'll also play, break of this green line here back to the cloud, where I'll play the break below the cloud. That's mainly it. Nothing crazy. Just keep it simple and see where it goes. So let's go over the trade I took earlier today here in Tesla. So if you look at Tesla on the 1 minute, and then also got the 5 minute pulled up here. That's the same time frame. So we have the break of the cloud here. Right? Nice little push up. And then we also have the break of the cloud on the 5 minute. What happened here is broke the middle v-wap, breaks the cloud. So I was looking for this pullback. Back to the middle v-wap. So I waited for my good indicator. I have this candle right here. Nice little move up, move up, move up, and then a push down on larger volume. Waited for it to broke this green line, and then ride it back to middle v-wap. So broke the green line up here, and then rode back to the middle v-wap. Bought in here. Just a nice little push down, and then you see a small push up, but I wasn't too worried because this red line was staying pretty still and moving up. Also not that much volume on this push up, so I held. Again, you have the green red line switch, and then you have the drop. Drops through the cloud, and then that's where it hit the bubble. That's where it hit the bubble, and that's basically the trade. Nice and simple. I definitely could have held through this break of the middle v-wap. Just the issue with that is, I'm trading a small account. I only had one contract, so I wanted to lock in profits. But eventually, when I grow this account, I would sell half at this middle v-wap and then look for the breakdown, and that would have been a pretty nice trade. You have 282, almost 283 down to this area of 279, so that's a pretty big move. And then I'll pull up my trade, show you what I did. Here's the transaction. So 915, bought one Tesla for 97 at 280 put, and then sold it at 14 minutes later, 929, for a profit of $55. So, not a bad move. 10% move in 15 minutes, and this way my funds will settle the next day, so I can do it again. Look to make about 2-3 of these trades a day. Look for that 10% move, and then do it the next day. You can see here I'm not working with a lot, but with options it definitely is a lot more realistic to see gains like that. Instead, make 2-3 of those a day, and you're sitting pretty. But unfortunately, the market kind of went sideways, as you can see over here, just kind of chopping up and down. Not really sure what it wants to do. Just stuck with the one trade, but it's all right. Green's green. Just kind of wanted to go over that real quick, and was looking to post, the live trade, but like I said, I saved it in the wrong format, so I wasn't able to upload that. But tomorrow I'll upload it and kind of go over what I'm looking at, exit entries, and hope you guys enjoy.